Well, hey! And welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You won't believe it. Guess what it is? I'm going to a Brady Bunch party. Woo-hoo! Look at that. It's all about the Bradys, and we're making foods that are themed at this party. I'm going to be making a pork chops and applesauce casserole, but I'm just waiting for a friend of mine to show up. They should come at any time. Who could it be? Oh my goodness, it's ML!
Oh, Mike Brady. Oh, Mike. It's ML's Words of Wisdom from Wisconsin.
And what are we cooking today?
Well, we're making Peter Brady's favorite meal, pork chops and applesauce.
Let's get started.
Okay, now we've got some vegetable oil in the pan, and we're just going to put these bad boy pork chops in here to sear them for 2 to 3 minutes each side, and add some salt and pepper. Now we're going to easily flip it. Give me the flip side, Marsha. That's what Davy Jones said to Marsha Brady when he gave her a kiss on the cheek before he took her to the high school dance.
And now we need to cook up some egg noodles. Let's boil those up.
Okay, now we've got this little baking dish, and I'm going to spray it with this canola oil, and I'm not advocating one brand over the other. They're all good. Okay, here we go. Spray it liberally. Wait, Jim, stop.
ML, now it's time to make a sauce.
Okay, now 2 cups of cinnamon applesauce. See?
And a couple tablespoons of Dijon. Oh!
And now stir it up.
Let's layer this casserole, Carol.
Oh my! Noodles. Use your noodle. Where's the meat?
Here it is. Put it on top.
Let's add some onions. Don't cry. I can't believe this is Peter Brady's favorite meal.
Well, for him, it's all about the applesauce.
Okay, now this delicious dish goes in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes.
It's all cooked. Let's sprinkle on some cheese and stick it in the oven for 5 more minutes.
Brady kids, dinner's ready. Come and get it.
Let's give this casserole a try. Mmm, very good. Love that applesaucey sauce. Peter would be jumping up and down after he tastes this casserole. I'll give it a 7.4 out of 10.
What do you call a pig who does karate? A pork chop, see?
And that's the way we became the Jim and ML Bunch. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Whee! And now the main reason we're here is to actually visit the Brady House. And now we've made it to my dream kitchen. Wow, isn't it swell?
Dun, 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 dun. Here's the story of a lovely lady who was bringing up 3 very lovely girls. All of them had hair of gold, like their mother, the youngest one in curls. Here's the story of a man named Brady who was busy with 3 boys of his own. They were 4 men living
all together, yet they were all alone. Till the one day when the lady met this fellow, and they knew it was much more than a hunch, that this crew must somehow form a family. That's the way they all became the Brady Bunch, the Brady Bunch, the Brady Bunch. That's the way we became the Brady Bunch. Woo!
And Andy Davis as Alice.